Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. You probably click on this video today because you are on a journey to grow fuller, longer, thicker, healthier, natural hair. And yes, you can. Today I am going to show you guys how you can use avocado and blue magic grease to grow that fuller, thicker, longer, healthier hair that you So we are starting with a clean bowl, and I am using one avocado and a little piece of aloe vera leaf. And we're gonna start by cutting this avocado out, and I'm gonna scoop all the avocado on the inside to the little bowl right here, and I'm gonna add that little piece of aloe vera. Avocado is a great sort of biotin, and you guys know how well biotin works in growing hair. It has those B vitamin complex in it. It contains potassium and magnesium that helps seal your cuticle cells, so it will help lock in moisture and smooth. You will have a smooth, shiny hair, and it does stop and prevent breakage. And I'm adding this aloe vera, just the gel on the inside, and this is the frozen little piece that I have left over. Aloe vera is a natural conditioner, guys. So it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Those three vitamins contribute to cell turnovers, which will rejuvenate your cells, helping you grow healthy, long, and thick hair. If you are on a journey on growing your hair longer and fuller and thicker, you want to incorporate those two ingredients here. Aloe vera and avocado are very important in helping you do that. So at this point, you need to just combine all these two ingredients together. You can either use a hand blender like I'm using, or a blender, and just make sure you mix it into a creamy texture. Once you achieve your creamy texture, I am going to go ahead and add another ingredient, which is a conditioner. You can use a conditioner of your choice, but you just want to use a very moisturizing conditioner just to add that little bit more of a boost. Before you do that, you want to filter this one, like strain it, just because you don't want any other particle on your hair after you put this on your hair. And the reason why I do this is because I always shampoo hair before I put this conditioner in, because after this I just rinse out. I don't shampoo anymore. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join the family so you can see more videos like this from me. And that is a great way to help me grow and support my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here, and let's continue watching this video. So guys, you can see the conditioner that I am adding right now, and after I add that, I will also add extra virgin olive oil, because it's very important that you have some kind of oil content to just continue for that looking for that moisture in the hair. And I add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and combine all those together. So at this point, you just mix all together and making sure everything is well combined in a very nice and creamy texture like this. There is no particle in this. This will wash completely out of your hair with no residue left over. So it is ready to be applied. This is my daughter's hair. This is Jackie, and her hair is already been washed. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and apply this aloe vera and avocado in her hair, and we are going to let it sit for I usually let it sit for like an hour, and put a plastic bag on it for like an hour before I wash it out. So there is really nothing in specific about applying this to your hair. You just want to make sure you detangle your hair very nice on it. You can either use a brush or your fingers, and just make sure you saturate your hair from root to tip, and make sure all your hair shaft is completely saturated with this cream. Also, make sure you work in little section like I'm doing, especially if you have a lot of hair, so that you are sure that you have this all saturated on your hair, that every strand is taking benefit of this conditioner. So this is how I make my Blue Magic grease. So I would take a little bit of this Blue Magic grease, and I just add it in a bowl a little bit. This is the amount I'm going to be using. I probably won't use all of this, and I'm using a little bit of, not a little bit, I'm just mixing it with the castor oil, and this is the Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm gonna mix it in there just so I get a little bit of a thinner consistency when it comes to this grease. So I'm adding a little bit more of the castor oil until I get the consistency that I am looking for. I just like to mix it with the castor oil just because I feel like that's what works better for me. If you feel like you have another way of doing it that works better for you, great, but this is what works for me. I've been growing my daughter's hair for the past 3 years. Her hair has been responding to all my DIY, mostly that I use on her hair, is working, and her hair is growing like crazy. And this is her hair after I we shampooed it. So the conditioner was left on there with that plastic cap for like an hour or so, and then we just went and rinsed it out. And now, because my daughter is very tender-headed, we are going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and blow it out just a little bit, because it's easier for me and her to manage the hair when it stays out. And before you do apply any heat on your hair, make sure you do apply a heat protectant. It's very, very important, because that heat would damage your hair if you don't. So I'm using this Revlon paddle brush, and I'm just going to blow it out just a little bit. her hair is all blown out and is ready to be styled to my desire. At this point, we are leaving it like this for a little bit, for a couple of days before I have time to do something to it. But usually I will put some braids in her hair until it's time again to wash and deep condition and style. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, there's a great way to support my channel and help me grow is to consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on that notification button so that you will not miss videos like this from me. And let's go ahead and grow our hair together. You are able to grow healthy, longer, natural hair. Even if you have the coarsest, the nappiest hair, you will still be able to grow long, full, luscious, and thick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you and see you on my next video. Bye.